Avoid these 5 common English mistakes. Let's learn 5 simple English mistakes many people make and how to fix them. Mistake 1. Saying I am agree. Don't say, I am agree, say, I agree. Why? Agree is already a verb, so you don't need Just say I agree. Mistake 2. Saying he do his work. Don't say, he do his work, say, he does his work. Why? With he, she, or it, always used as not do. Mistake 3. Saying she didn't went. Don't say, she didn't went, say, she didn't go. Why? After did, always use the base form of the verb. Go, not went. Mistake 4. Saying brothers-in-laws. Don't say, brothers-in-laws, say, brothers-in-law. Why? The word brother becomes plural, not law. So, say brothers-in-law. Mistake 5. Saying let's discuss about this. Don't say, let's discuss about this, say, let's discuss this. Why? Discuss already means to talk about something, so you don't need to add about. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English tip.